Flutters, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. I like this lighting. Even my hands look cute. Anyway, finally did the video. I had to restart it so many times. I did it today earlier on because firstly I did an app. It was a quotes app and I felt like that was so general, and then it was way too long. And when I was editing it, it was tutorial-like, and I didn't like that. I got bored, and I felt that if I post this, people are gonna get bored. And then Blikal asked about the video that I said I do, and I had to explain to him because he's good in Flutter. He even started a channel, although he has one video. Do check it out and go to his comment section and say we're ready for another video. Anyway, yeah, I told him that it feels tutorial like. I don't know how I feel about this, and yeah, he gave me some advice, and then yeah, I decided I'm gonna do something simple and I'm gonna show you guys what I did, what it does, and why I did it. Maybe I'll post it on GitHub, but I do feel like there's still a lot that I have to do. And also, it's so hard thinking of an app. How do you guys do it? Like trying to think of something that hasn't been done. Not a to-do app or finance app or a Netflix clone. Trying to think of something. How do you guys do it? Like, I've had so many ideas. At some point I thought of making my own YouTube channel app where I post my videos there and then you see them there. And I thought, again, that's so boring. But this is what I have. So let me know what you guys think. So as you can see, already I had a number of apps that I thought about. I forgot about Flutter. So I did take some Udemy course, although I didn't finish it. So yeah, let's try and run this app. So what the app does, it's APS Calculator. What I was thinking about is that when you still in high school and you're thinking of like your marks and what can you do, where do you qualify, rather than going to each website, checking if you qualify, checking the prospectus, you can just go to this, put on your APS score, and let me just put it here. I got this picture from Canva. I used AI. And then when you click the APS, you can put in your marks. Life orientation is divided into 2, and then if your APS is greater than 25, it shows a congratulations emoji. Yay! But then I wanted it to direct me to the universities and which one you actually qualify for. So I used these. I just took the top 10 universities and put it on ChatGPT, and I said, give me a link and the deadlines for each university, because I'm not about to write this like, and it did, but it put prospectus, but these links don't work. So when it sends you there, yes, it sends you to the UJ website, but it's not exactly the prospectus. So I think I'm just gonna remove the prospectus part, and then it's just the link to the university. But I would have loved, I don't know if I should continue with it, but the whole idea of this app was to, when you go to the app and you put in your APS score, it shows you the universities that you qualify for. I think it's going to be just for a diploma or a degree, and then it shows the universities, and then when you click on a particular university, it's going to show you the qualifications that you qualify for, if that makes sense. And then it will have an apply. Like maybe when you click on it, it shows the information and then apply, and then it sends you straight to the link to apply. So that was the whole idea of this app. If you guys have better apps that I can try out, or you think I can continue with this, and then you have suggestions, like, please let me know. I think I do want to continue with it. I think it's a cool app. Let me know down below if you think it's a cool app. And yeah, maybe see, I also, if you check here, there are logos. I wanted to show the logos on the side of the university. Yeah, whether it's there, whether it's not there, it really doesn't matter. But yeah, that's it. That's what I have so far. I hope this, I don't think it was worth the wait. But yeah, this is all I could come up with after so long. That's all for the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Until the next video, bye.